up and down the boulevard. I'm just pimping in my brand new car. I'm just pimping with my brand new car. Flossing up and down the motherfucking boulevard. Got a bitch on my right and she looking real tight. No, ain't I'ma run up in it all night. St. Paul, Midwest, straight serving for survival. Strapping on my vest and moving west like 5-4. I don't give a fuck about a bitch. Bitch can stay broke, as long as I'm staying rich. I'm through fucking with these same hoes. Now I'm out trucking state to state with these demos. Sitting on white walls all chrome. Plop a freak in my ride. First stop is home. I want a bone, but I'd rather ride all through Phelan and through the east side. Me and my boy Shoke and we rollin' the Impala. See a proper hoe, we gon' slow and then holler. Sycamores trippin', frontin' like they hard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' up and down the boulevard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin', frontin' like they hard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' up and down the boulevard. I'm just trippin' in my brand new car.
I was rolling down the boulevard in my brand new car. I seen this bitch jocking me, it wasn't my goddamn car. So I passed, made it to the stoplight. Looked around, fuck the cops and no one in sight. What's up, silly bitch? Hit a switch, jump in. Later that night, it be that ass I was tapping. Going around the corner, doing 3-wheel, bouncing my 78 coupe to feel money green. With the gold metallic flakes bumping. 215 false gate shit so loud, I make an ass have a headache. Gold McLean's on the bow ties. That's why he showed what low riding.
Sycamores trippin', frontin' like they hard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' up and down the boulevard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin', frontin' like they hard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' up and down the boulevard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin', frontin' like they hard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' up and down the boulevard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' and they frontin' like they hard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Sycamores trippin' up and down the boulevard. I'm just pimpin' in my brand new car. Yeah, and I gotta speak up on sampling. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people ask me why I sample. That's cause I ain't got $1 million to go to the studio and spend $80 million an hour. You know what I'm saying? I got to sample here and there. I ain't rich, you know what I'm saying? And I gotta send shouts out to my influentials. Mr. Quick, Pop, Forte, and Too Short, Short Dog, you know what I'm saying? And my partners from the Midwest, Mint Condition and Top Authority. Y'all doing it, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my 3rd album, y'all, and I ain't gonna go down, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming up, and I'm in the shade. Peace out.
Oh my goodness, that's Devious in these shows. They always coming down the boulevard tripping in their brand new car. But I know they looking at me, so I ain't even tripping though. Girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? But this is 1996, and them niggas all ain't worth shit.